Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? So today I'm coming to you with a quick tutorial on how to do watercolor. So today I'm going to give y'all something spicy and bright. So I'm going to do a nice neon orange color. So if you want to watch and see how I get this done, continue watching. You want this, I can be heartless regardless of my conscience. Alright y'all, so first things first, the first thing you're going to need some 613 here. So I got the 613 full lace wig, I believe 16 inches. This is something that my client brought me, and yeah, so this is what I'll be using, full lace, you see. And then I'm going to be using these two colors that I purchased today. I got my Adore Sunrise Orange. Ooh, bring it closer for y'all to see. And then I got my Bold Gold from Jazzin. So I'm gonna mix these two colors together to create a nice bright kind of goldish orangish color. You'll see. Okay, so and then you're going to need a bucket so that you can put your warm water in. I don't have a clear bucket because I'm using it at the moment, but this is the bucket I have. So if you got a clear one, then use it. If you don't, use what you have. Okay. All right. So continue watching. So you're gonna need your bucket of hot water. So I fill it up to that amount. I don't know if you can see, but you could go halfway because the wig that I'm coloring is not that bright. Alright, so what I'm going to do is put the color, pour it in. This is the Sunshine Orange. I'm going to pour in half. And make sure you mix the color in very well when you have it, because you don't want it to be pieces of color. You want all of it to be blended in the water completely. Because when you dip the hair in, and like a chunk of color gets on there, that will mess up your whole color. So you want to blend in the color properly. And then I'm going to get half of my gold, of my Bold Gold. Mix it in. Right now, so what you do when you are coloring, you want to first do a test color on one of the strands, because if it's not the color that you want, you don't want to mess up your whole wig. Alright, so this color is it's okay. What I'm going to do is put a little bit more orange in it to get it the color that I wanted. Alright, do you see this? Yeah, I mean, we want it a little bit on the more neon side. And try not to wear a white shirt like me. I wasn't thinking that smart. Clearly. Again, you want to fully saturate the hair with the color in the water. Alright, and I think this is a nice color that I got here. So I'm going to dip her into the bucket, saturate the hair. I could put my whole hand in there. I'm okay with that. I'm not wearing nails or nothing like that, so it's all good. Alright, so you dip it in and out to get the color that you want. In and out, okay? The more you dip it, the brighter the color will saturate. neon. I'm gonna dip it one more time just to get the fruits darker. And yeah, this is the color I think I want. And if it's not the color that you want to keep dipping it in. Keep dipping it in. But like I said, I'm gonna stop right here. I don't want to dip it in any further. Alright. And that's the color I want. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So I have put the wig in the dryer. I'm going to dry it for about just 5 to 10 minutes just to get a little bit dry so that you guys can see the actual full color from the watercolor method that I've used. So I'll be right back with the color. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So this is the final result. This is what the color came out to be. I'm not sure if you can see it well, but I'm going to bring it up a little closer. Bring it back, bring it back. All right, and then this is the final color. So it came out to a pastel bright orange, but it's more on a peachy golden side more than neon side, which is what I love. And this is what she came out to be. I can't wait to install her for my client. All right, so if you want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment in the comment box below and let me know any other colors you want me to try. I will definitely go ahead and do that for you guys. All right, so I'm done, y'all. Image Envy out. See y'all until next time. Let me see the back. Yes, tangerine. Yeah.